Okay. So if somebody sends this kind of a file to you and you even upload it in virus, see now the result has come, right? See. So now see 19 out of 62 antivirus companies have already detected this to be a Trojan or a virus kind of a thing. 19. So what are the, like, now see, this is not a category of understanding that which antivirus will be is a good antivirus and which one is not, right? But this is where you can see what all companies are. See, Bit Defenders, then eScan. These are all top listed antivirus companies, right? So how many of antivirus companies have told this, given a green signal to them? See, Fortinet, K7 Antivirus, Microsoft, Panda, Sophos, VBA32, all of them have given this file to be a green signal file, not a virus. Right? So VirusTotal.com is a best place to go to check if there is any kind of virus that you are dealing with or not. Before opening that file, you should go there. That's the best practice. Best way to defend yourself.
The 19.1 means what? So I just ignore them.
Do you have any question?
Yeah.
Any question? Any question on this?
19 companies who detected that.
19 companies who detected that to be a virus. Okay.
That is malicious. Must I just ignore them?
Okay. These are the companies who detected it to be a virus. See.
Yeah, those ones. Must I just ignore it?
Ali Cloud, Ergabit, Bitdefender, Cynet, eScan, GData, Lionic, Tencent, Trend Micro. These are big companies. They have detected this to be, not categorizing it directly to be a virus, but it is telling that it's a Trojan, might be a Trojan, might be an application that works bomb. This is malicious in nature, right? So these are the ways it's categorizing it.
Yes, but let's assume now it's a file that I received or I downloaded. Yes. Then before I open for security reasons, I decided to verify with the VirusTotal.com.
Yes.
So then that 19 confirmed that, hey, this is dangerous.
Yes. Don't open it.
So I must not open it.
No. If only one company tells it to be a danger, then you can take the risk. You can, but see how you should take the risk. You should install a virtual machine in your laptop, right? We'll show you once we show Kali Linux tomorrow when Moses will be showing you, right? So Kali Linux is being installed in virtual machine. So virtual machine is a parallel machine, not your actual machine. It's a clone machine, right? Where you assign some of your RAM and wherein you can, it's a test environment kind of a thing, right? So wherein